और बाकी बचे हैं लड़के आए हुए four specimens that will be kept in your Viva table. Okay. One is this is the specimen of red hepatization. Red hepatization, grey hepatization. One is fibrocaseous or cavitative or cavitary बोल सकते हो cavitative tuberculosis of the lung. And the fourth one is the biliary tuberculosis of the lung. Biliary tuberculosis. First coming pneumonia. Pneumonia is what?
Inflammation of lung parenchyma.
So what are the different types of pneumonia?
Lobar pneumonia, bronchopneumonia, and interstitial pneumonia.
Lobar is bronchopneumonia. Bronchopneumonia is also known as lobular. One is lobar, means it will involve lobe. So क्या होगा?
Entire lobe or large portion of the
or
lobe.
large
Portion of the lobe.
Okay. So different stages of lobar pneumonia.
Congestion, red hepatization, grey hepatization, resolution.
Congestion means
Dilated blood vessels.
vascular congestion will be there. So this is second stage. Second stage में क्या है?
Red hepatization.
Red hepatization means it will appear. So lung normal tissue is like that, grey brown. It will appear like a sponge. ऐसा दबाने से पूरा soft. और since it is in formalin, formalin is a preservative. Okay, we use 10% or 20% formalin, and concentration of formalin is 10%. इसको याद रखना. So that actually prevents the autolysis of the tissue, and it more or less keeps the tissue in original position. Otherwise, पूरा necrotic हो जाएगा. Bacterial overgrowth को रोकने के लिए. Okay, second stage is red hepatization. What do you mean by hepatization? Liver-like. So when you cut the lung, it will give a firm consistency. Okay, firm means इसको काटने से पूरा soft रहेगा, normal, पूरा sponge ना soft. And when you cut it, it will give a slight resistance. ठीक है? जैसे when you cut a rubber eraser, उसको काटने से जैसा consistency आएगा like that. Okay. So first you have to identify the lung tissue. How will you identify? Lung will have right and left lung. Okay, right and left lung, how will you know? Left lung? Lobes. Left lung will have cardiac node. This is the pleural surface, and you will see cardiac notch, lingula. So this is the left lung. And this is pleural surface, this is cut surface of the lung. It has been cut longitudinally, isn't it? And the lower portion is the diaphragmatic surface, upper portion is apex. So this is left lung. And here you can see larger opening is there. Okay, large opening means bronchi. So this indicates this is the hilum. Okay, hilar portion में बड़ा opening दिखेगा. So when you look closely, what are the black pigments? These are carbon-laden pigments. Okay, black जो दिख रहा है, it is normally. These are usually seen in persons who smoke or who live in industries where the dust particles are more. Formal individual में भी कुछ मिल सकता है, ठीक है? So carbon particles and openings of larger airways, what? Cardiac notch इधर दिख रहा है, and the smaller openings round openings. These are not cavities. These are openings of smaller airways. Can you see here? ये जो गोल गोल दिख रहा है, these are openings of smaller airways. And this is the fissure. Can you see? Side से. This looks different, है? इसमें क्या अलग दिख रहा है? So this is the fissure, diaphragmatic surface, and these are openings of smaller airways, means bronchioles. Bronchioles, terminal bronchioles का ये हो सकता है. Respiratory और छोटा होगा. Okay. Normal lung will appear greyish brown in color. So upper portion appears greyish brown, and the lower part is red in color, and it appears firm. काट के तो नहीं देख सकते हैं, ठीक है? It appears firm and granular. Granular means not smooth. When you look closely, you can see it is red in color and firm. It appears firm and granular. Okay. So this is just a part of the lung. It is not the whole lung. So how will you describe it? This is a mounted specimen, isn't it? And formalin has been put here. So this is formalin preserved mounted specimen of part of the lung. Part of the lung. The cut surface is showing. There is a fissure here. And there is a small part of the lung which is grey brown in color. It appears normal, and the lower part is red in color and granular, and it appears firm or just a liver-like consistency, means consolidated. When you describe in gross, it is consolidated. Okay. Consolidated means solidification. So this is a specimen of red hepatization of the lung. Okay. So you have to practice it. जब बोलोगे exam में, when you get the specimen, you will be able to tell what is this. So you have to identify the mother tissue. Then you go. You tell the pathology of the specimen. Okay. So here, if you are able to identify the normal tissue, you have to tell. So lung है, कैसे पता चलेगा? This is the pleural surface. Can you see? हाथ से देखना, इसको उठाने से फिर गिर जाएगा तो problem. Okay. So this is the pleural surface. It will appear smooth. ऐसे convex type का लगेगा. This is diaphragmatic surface. Okay. And you can see the fissure. Okay, when fissure is there, most probably it is a part of cut surface of the right lung. Most probably you cannot see because it is only the part of the lung is there. And what is the difference here? There is a fissure. Oblique fissure is there. The upper portion appears greyish brown and shorter. But lower portion appears greyish brown, grey. It appears grey brown and solid and dry. Okay, so this is grey hepatization of the lung. And normal tissue may you can also add the openings of the multiple openings of the smaller airways are seen here. Okay. So what you have to tell? Formalin preserved mounted specimen of longitudinal section of part of the lung with this is the cut surface, this is pleural surface, this is diaphragmatic surface. An oblique fissure is there. This portion appears greyish brown in color, dry and appears solid. Okay. So this is grey hepatization of the lobar pneumonia. Grey hepatization of the lung, which is a type of lobar pneumonia. Okay. Next, this is the whole left lung because it appears big. Cardiac notch is there. Pleural surface is here. देखो इधर भी प्लूरल सरफेस है and this is cut open longitudinally cut here. Okay, it is cut like that and it is cut like that. ऐसे करके लगा हुआ. So this is the apex portion where the pathology is there. Okay, so what do you see here? Apex of the lung is showing cavity, large cavity, which is divided into multiple cavities by fibrous bands. Okay, these are fibrous bands. Okay, these are fibrous bands. ऐसे जो गया है, these are fibrous bands. And why there is fibrous bands? Because it denotes the chronic illness. Okay, some fibrosis is there. Now, what is the chronic disease of the lung which can show cavitation? Tuberculosis. Lung abscess, you will see acute inflammation, polymorphs रहेगा. And fibrosis in later part of the disease, you can see fibrosis, but lung abscess will have side. क्या है? Usually lower and right lung में ज़्यादा होता है, lower part of the lung में होता है ज़्यादा, and it may be multiple. हाँ, apex very rare. ठीक है? And foreign body inhalation या injection ज़्यादा होता है तो usually at the lower part. Okay, so why the apex is involved here? Tuberculosis में apex because Mycobacterium bacilli, they proliferate or they love oxygen actually. They proliferate more in oxygen environment. They are aerobic, okay. And oxygen tension is high in the apex area, okay. So कहाँ से आया ये cavity कहाँ से आया? Which what is the type of tuberculosis? Second. So what do you see in primary tuberculosis? Gone complex. What are the different parts of gone complex? Gone complex means? Gone focus होता है, then lymphatic component, lymphatic drainage and पीछे वही से देखो और क्या होता है? Lymph node involvement. So where do you see the gone focus कहाँ दिखेगा? Gone focus कहाँ दिखेगा? What is the site? थर्सडे को एग्जाम है ना उसका बोलो when do you see gone foci? क्लास में तो इस शायद नहीं भी समझ में आया होगा, जाके पढ़ते हो बोलो चलो इधर से बोलो अपर पार्ट ऑफ लोअर लोब और लोअर पार्ट ऑफ अपर लोब. Mode of transmission of tuberculosis is inhalation. So after inhalation, it will come to this side. यहाँ पे towards the pleural surface, lower part of upper lobe का lower part and lower lobe का upper part towards the pleural surface. Okay, around size कितना है? तो मेरा बुक में सारा दिया है. Around 1 to 1.5 centimeters. Okay, so it is very tiny. छोटा यहाँ पे स्टार्ट होता है. देन व्हाट डू यू सी द लीजन, हाउ डू यू डिफाइन इट? टीबी में क्या होगा? ग्रैनुलोमा. सो यू शुड नो द डेफिनेशन ऑफ ग्रैनुलोमा, हाउ ग्रैनुलोमा इज फॉर्म्ड, व्हाट इज द पैथोजेनेसिस, ये सारा इसी में पूछेंगे. ओके, सो फ्रॉम हियर यू कैन इन माइक्रोस्कोपी यू विल सी द granuloma, granulomatous inflammation with caseous necrosis. Okay, so later on it may calcify. Okay, calcification हो सकता है. Then the lymphatic drainage with hilar lymph node involvement, hilar और tracheobronchial lymph node involvement इधर है, draining lymph node towards the hilar surface. Okay, so Gone foci, draining lymphatic, and the lymph node involvement. The regional lymph node means hilar lymph node involvement forms the gone complex. Okay, now the primary focus or primary tuberculosis, either it will be healed, scar formation will be there. Okay, scar formation हो गया, और it will remain as dormant, वो वैसे ही रह जाएगा, बिकॉज क्लास में पढ़ी ना कि phagocytosis, they are unable to phagocytose. जो macrophage epithelioid cells है, they have less phagocytic activity, more secretory activity, so they are unable to eat it. Okay, so they will form a granuloma. Granuloma बनाते हैं, and you can see multiple bacilli within the granuloma. So they will remain dormant, वो वैसे ही रह जाएंगे. अगर फाइब्रोसिस हो जाएगा साइड में, वैसे ही रह जाएगा, तो फिर पूरा हील होकर पूरा ठीक हो गया. When does secondary tuberculosis occur? Secondary tuberculosis कैसे होगा? What do you mean by secondary tuberculosis? Reactivation primary tuberculosis कैसे होगा? ठीक है. Secondary tuberculosis when does either reactivation of the latent or dormant foci or primary tuberculosis or reinfection. Reinfection होता पहले हुआ था, वो ठीक हो गया, अगेन फिर से इन्फेक्शन हुआ. So when does it occur? Reactivation कब होगा? When the immunity is down. Either some immunosuppressive drug ले रहे हैं या फिर HIV वगैरह हुआ, एड्स HIV वगैरह हुआ, और malnutrition इस टाइप का हुआ. So then the secondary tuberculosis will happen. Then the bacilli will come to this area, apex. Secondary tuberculosis, this region is most common site. Okay, gradually here again same lesion, granulomatous inflammation, then gradually it will increase in size. Increase in size, you will see multiple granuloma with later on caseous necrosis will be seen. Then they will fuse together. Okay, सारा एक दूसरे से मिल जाएगा. They will form a large cavity. Caseous necrosis हो गया तो, and when they are communicating with the airways, तो patient will cough it out. Okay, expectoration में वो बाहर चला जाएगा. So cavity will be formed. Okay, so this is the secondary cavitative tuberculosis of the lung. It is a part of the secondary tuberculosis. Again यहाँ से फिर क्या होगा? फिर progressive secondary tuberculosis होगा. Okay. And now how will you describe? There is a large cavity, irregular cavity with multiple septa traversing into the cavity, and the base of the cavity you can see yellowish white. एकदम ध्यान से देखना है ना, तो देखिएगा the cavity is ragged or irregular, हाँ, and you can see yellowish white caseous material. Here it is not very clear, but देखो ऊपर वाला में देखो, यहाँ पे कैविटी में अंदर से देखोगे ना, साइड से तो पता चलेगा. yellowish white granular caseous material is there. This is washed out during processing or either पहले से चला गया होगा expectoration होके, but you can still see some yellowish white material, caseous material is there. पता चल रहा है कि नहीं? ये देखो ऊपर में. Is it clear? साइड से देखो. Okay. And fibrosis is there obviously. And the rest of the lung parenchyma shows multiple cavities, multiple small cavities with greyish white caseous material in this. यहाँ पे इधर है और कहीं पे मिलेगा, यहाँ पे अच्छे से दिख रहा है. ये तो yellowish white. Okay, formation होता है. उसके बाद then what happens next? When this lesion bacteria and bacilli, when they invade the blood vessels or lymphatics, they will enter into the systemic circulation. Okay, systemic circulation में जाने से क्या होगा? They will go to any organ. Okay, any organ of the body. So then they will form a small foci, multiple small millet-like foci, that is known as miliary tuberculosis. ये वाला दिस इज लंग का ही है, छोटा 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 मिलेट लाइक अराउंड 2 to 3 mm, ठीक है, मिलेट लाइक फोकाई बनाएगा, दैट इज miliary tuberculosis. So this is again most commonly seen in secondary tuberculosis, but primary में भी हम लोग पढ़े हैं ना, primary progressive primary tuberculosis में भी miliary tuberculosis होता है. Okay, if it is progressive, and that is in 5% of cases. So how will you describe this? This is the cut surface. This is pleural surface, huh? Pleural surface. This is longitudinal section, and this is the hilar area. Okay, this is hilar area, diaphragmatic surface. And which part of the lung is this? Right or left? I don't know, because right was probably the side में दिया. So formalin preserved mounted specimen of lung. अगर नहीं पता चलेगा तो just lung longitudinal section of the lung, showing cut surface or cut section of the larger airways as well as smaller airways, and presence of carbon particles on its surface. Okay, and there are multiple small grey, white to yellow lesions, or you can say tubercles, या elevated area बोल सकते हो. ग्रे वाइट टू येलोइश elevated area of consolidation. ठीक है, तो ये वाला काटने से तुमको ग्रैनुलोमा मिलेगा, एंड initially you will see area of congestion, later on you will see calcification. Okay, इतना. So this specimen is usually, तो वो तो primary secondary वो तो कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं. Sometimes